How to stop a limit order on Robinhood. Launch the Robinhood app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure that you are logged into your Robinhood account. Navigate to the Investing or Trade section of the app. Look for the tab or menu option labeled Trade Option. Tap on it to proceed. Within the Trade Options section, you should see a list of your current orders. Find the specific limit order that you want to stop or cancel. Tap on the limit order that you wish to cancel. This action will bring up more details about the order, including the option to cancel it. Look for the option to cancel the order. On Robinhood, this option is usually labeled Cancel Order or Stop Order. Tap on it to initiate the cancellation process. After selecting to cancel the order, you may be prompted to confirm the cancellation. Review the details to ensure that you are canceling the correct order, then confirm your decision. Depending on Robinhood's security measures, you may need to verify your action, such as entering your account password or using biometric authentication. Once the cancellation is confirmed, you should receive a notification or message confirming that the limit order has been successfully canceled. After canceling the order, double-check the Orders or Order History section to ensure that the limit order is no longer listed. This step helps verify that the cancellation was successful. That's how you can stop a limit order on Robinhood.